Alright Keira, so up and down mark wise so far on the 3 papers that I've marked, 47 has been your strongest, which is 1 mark off a D. So let's see whether we've got any improvement this week. And 12. So here, so you're looking for 2 numbers that when you subtract one from the other, you get 39. And the 2 numbers that you're looking for are 76 and 37. Okay, so 1, 2 there, 1, 2, 3, 4 there. Factors of 25 are numbers that go into 25 exactly. There are only 3 of them, and those are the 3. 2 marks there. 700 is correct, 228 is correct. 12 notebooks, cost £19.20. You haven't answered the question though, because it's asking how much money will she have left over, and you haven't said there's 80 pence left over. Okay, so you're going to lose a mark because you haven't totally answered the question. That's fine. So 4, 8, 10, 14 on that first page. That's correct. Now this is something we will be practicing, but it is something that I would expect you to be able to do. The cost is 220, deposit is 40, and you want to find the monthly payments. You put everything in to the formula as it stands. So instead of writing cost, you're going to write 220. Monthly payment, I don't know, I'll call it M for monthly, times 9 is in the formula, plus the deposit, which I know is 40. So if I take 40 off each side, I'll be left with the M times 9. If I take 40 off that, I get 180. Something times 9 is 180. That's the same as doing 180 divided by 9, which is 20. So 20 is what they're looking for there. 16987 is good for the page. Now, I have mentioned this previously, you won't get full marks unless you label your axes. So in this case, frequency is what goes up, and disc color is the context of the question. So the 4 marks available for that graph, you will lose 1 mark for that. Black is correct, and so is that. Good. 36 is right, but this one isn't. So with this one, to work out the area of that shape, you have to split it up into 2 rectangles. You've got this rectangle here, which is length times width. 9 times 3 is 27. And you've got this rectangle here, which is going to be 6 times 3, which is 18. So the total area of that shape is going to be 24 plus 18, which is 45. 27, sorry, 24. And then the units you've got correct, so you will get no marks for your area work, but you will get the correct the mark for the correct units. 10 for the page. 9 rows on each side, 24 per row, 216 seats. There is enough. Good. Obtuse, correct. 7 for the page. Okay, I didn't help you there because that isn't 10 centimeters. But if it was 10 centimeters, or sorry, if you had measured it, you would have got a triangle that would have fitted on the page. So that's my fault. 7 is good. It's below chart 395. Excellent. 5 for that page. good. $70 winners. Money in 128. Money out 105. Total profit 23. Right, that's really good. That's perfect. Full marks for that. All I will say, and I'm not accusing you of anything, but that does look remarkably like my solution from the website. So make sure that you're being honest with yourself if you are happy with that as a solution. And similarly with this one. Marks a page. Good. Gets on the 11:25 at Bridgend, 12:08 at Newport, difference 23 minutes. 12:12, 10 minutes. Good. Take a look how I explain that on the video clip. Well done. Well done. Again, have a watch at me working through those questions. That's good. And so is that. 9th page. Okay, well the second half of that paper was really good, Keira. I would comfortably say this is your best so far. Let's see what you total. 14, 18, 28, 35, 40, 52, 56, 62, 71. So 71 is fantastic. That is a nailed on rock solid grade C. But I will add the word of caution there that the way some of your answers were laid out on the trickier questions were remarkably similar to how I laid mine out on the website. And there's nothing wrong with that, so long as you are clear how much of my support you needed in order to answer that question. Nevertheless, if you can maintain that and you learn from that, then that is fantastic. So I'm really encouraged with that.